Also, the Best Student Teacher, also received the Best Student Teacher Award. Currently working as the primary school teacher at DGPMC. Let us welcome our second judge, Miss Azel Luna. Let's give her a warm round of applause. For our third judge, was born on July 12, 1987 in Sipalay, Negros Occidental. Started his academic journey at Cantunay Elementary School, continued secondary education at Gilumilla National High School, and then pursued higher education at Central Philippine State University, with earning a bachelor's degree